Just on my way to the gym, and the weather is absolutely awful. Dedication to the gym, lads. But like, I'm slipping and sliding everywhere. I got like serious snow boots going on. Show you some. Honestly, the most ugliest things ever. I just want to like face plant myself in that right now though. Right, I just got to the gym there. I actually haven't a clue why I'm even here. It's cold out. It's probably going to be dead in the gym. I'm here. May as well just get over and done with. Can you please try ignore this? Every time I go flying, my skin just breaks out like crazy. Yeah, it's not cold sore, it's actually a spot. Yeah. So I'm just gonna finish off drinking my pre-workout. It's Women's Best. It's shit, don't buy it. Doesn't do anything. But it gives like a little bit of a boost, but like not something that's actually like a good boost. It's pretty shit, just don't buy it. Gonna finish that and then do my workout. I think I might do legs today, even though that's probably a bad idea because I have to walk home. I'll try record a little bit while I'm here. Alright, I just have on Concept leggings. If you haven't heard of these, best leggings ever. Literally like completely black, like the blackest black leggings you'll get. Squat proof. This is the Bershka jumper, just plain old jumper because it's bloody freezing outside. And then just Nike shoes. You know? You know? I seriously need a tan. I'm saving myself for the beauty show on Sunday, so that's why I'm not tanning myself, because I wanted to be nice and fresh for Sunday, Monday. I am ready for the blizzard. I'm not looking forward to this walk home. But like, I'm kidding. Look at these boots. Yay. Like, honestly, the most ugliest boots ever, but they're actually really good. They're water resistant and just keep the warmth in. I'm scared because it's actually worse than when I walked up. This is not fun.
That was over.
We going now?
Okay.
Do you want to go? Honestly, that was the worst. Hello. Hello. Oh. Anyway, that was the worst gym session ever because it was absolutely Baltic in the gym. Like, you know, like all like the weights and stuff were like really, really cold and I couldn't even hold them up. Yeah, it wasn't really, really fun, to be fair. And my face hurts a lot. Like, I have dry eyelid. Who gets dry eyelids? Apparently me with this weather. Like, the snow is like really hard and like the wind is like bashing it against your face and my face hurts. Right, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Probably short and sweet, but yeah, that's just what I did today on the, I think, what is it called? Like something Emma. Like the snow was called Emma. The storm Emma. Is it storm or blizzard Emma? I don't know. Well, yeah, Emma, you're rude. Whoa, the snow just got really bad. If I don't die in the snow, love yous all. Don't forget me. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video.